Are you a student looking to jumpstart your career in technology? If so, you might be wondering which programming language or framework to learn. One option you might consider is React. React is a JavaScript library developed and maintained by Facebook, and it's widely used for building user interfaces for web and mobile applications. There are many reasons why React might be a good choice for students. First, it's a highly in-demand skill. Companies all over the world are looking for developers with React experience, so learning it could give you a competitive edge in the job market. Second, React is a popular choice for building modern, interactive user interfaces. This means you'll have plenty of opportunities to build cool projects and showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. Finally, React has a large and active developer community, with regular updates and new features being released. This means you'll have access to a wealth of resources and support as you learn and grow as a developer. So if you're a student looking to start your career in technology, consider giving React a try. It might just be the perfect fit for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel Reacthub, and don't forget to visit our site reacthub.xyz for millions of informative content.